If you have made it this far in the cleansing journey, I want you to take a moment and pause. You should be incredibly proud of yourself. Choosing restoration in a world that constantly looks for quick fixes is not easy. It takes courage, discipline, and a willingness to walk a different path than most people around you. You chose to listen to your body, you chose to slow down, you chose to return to the foundations that were always meant to support life. And that is something worth celebrating. Restoration is not just about removing toxins or completing a cleanse. It's about rediscovering how to live in a way that supports the body every single day. Getting back to the basics. Clean, nourishing food, fresh air and sunlight, movement, minerals, peace of mind, faith and gratitude. These simple things are powerful. And as you move forward, we encourage you to share your journey. Your story may be the very thing that gives someone else hope when they feel lost or discouraged. Talk about what you've experienced. Share your testimony with your friends and family. Let people see the changes that have taken place in your life. Because restoration is contagious, and when people see someone living with renewed energy, clarity, and peace, it naturally makes them curious about what is possible for their own lives. You are now a part of a community of people who have chosen a different path. A path that honors the design of the body and the wisdom placed within creation. And this is just the beginning. Keep walking this path. Keep protecting your restoration. Keep returning to the basics. I am so proud of you, and welcome to your restored identity.